It's okay.
God, gotta catch this call. Hey, you little brat, what are you doing?
Ma'am, actually, I'm fixing this curtain.
Fixing this curtain? What sort of work you're doing? You don't know how to do it properly? You absolutely. I don't understand why Dad am getting these people into our house. I don't
Ma'am,
understand.
actually, it's my first day, so I'm trying to manage all the work.
So first day, I don't care. It's your first day. You should be eminent worker.
Sorry,
If you don't know how to work, why you have came here to work?
sorry, ma'am, for doing this sort of work, but I'm giving you the promise that.
Where's my breakfast?
Ma'am, ready.
I have to take my brunch, but you are not ready yet. I have to go outside.
Ma'am, please give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes? I don't have 5 minutes.
Ma'am, please wait for the
I'm
5
getting
minutes.
late for my work. I don't understand this little brat. Why this is what this is happening? Daddy, what is going on here? Oh my god, I forgot he went to the work.
Ma'am, actually, it's my first day, so I don't know the what sort of.
You don't know? I will teach you how to do it. I will teach you.
Ma'am, please give me 5 minutes. Please don't do this.
You just go away. You little brat. Fuck this.
Why are you raising the roof, Rishika?
Oh, Antika, again, you indulge her. These poor people are dogs.
Keep mom, okay?
What kid, mom? Why are you shouting at?
Everyone! Every servant has already stated that you are misbehaving with them. Why?
Misbehave what? They don't do the work properly and eminently. What sort of things? They are getting the salary, but by doing nothing. Nothing, absolutely.
I know you have
Huh.
a pregnant pocket, so you can't judge them.
Judge them? No, I just hired them for work. Nothing
Please
else.
give me the last chance, ma'am. Last chance, ma'am. I'm preparing your
Fuck
breakfast.
this nonsense.
Mind on your language. What do you think, huh? Your father is also my father, okay? So you can't say this kind of
Yeah,
words to them.
you're kind. That's why people always, judge me and always telling that I don't have kind-hearted as much as my sister. So that you have the
They're not
false,
judging me.
you
They're
have
not
the
judging you
false
for me.
mask on your face, and you just
Rishika,
act.
calm down. Calm down. I'm talking to you, okay?
I don't have any interest to talk to you. I'm getting late. I don't need to argue with you, man.
What's wrong? What's wrong then?
I need my
What came
breakfast.
down the pie? Just tell me.
I need my breakfast. It is not yet ready, and she's saying she'll prepare 5 minutes within 5 minutes, and it's
Within
not
5 minutes?
possible for me to wait.
Ma'am, please don't get ready. I'm preparing.
Just
Ma'am, I'm preparing breakfast.
You are fired. Just go away.
up. Why are you behaving like this? I'm telling you multiple times, okay?
No, please, Vantika, please. Don't try to teach me, please.
I'm not trying to teaching you. I'm trying to tell you. Just
Hey, Vantika, it's enough. No, I cannot take anymore. Just fuck this nonsense and get the hell out of here.
my sister. Shamridhi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, breakfast is not yet ready.
It's okay. She already late. What's your name? I've never seen you here.
Ma'am, my name is Shamridhi Rai. It is my first day.
Somridhi.
Okay.
She told Somridhi and the name.
So, what about your father? Why are you here?
Actually, sir, ma'am, my father's financial condition is not so good, so he cannot afford me the going to school.
Okay.
So I have come here.
You'd like to
What's
go
your
to
full
school,
name?
right?
Yes, ma'am. I love to
Fuck
study.
this.
I learn to learn lots of things, but my father's financial condition doesn't afford this.
Don't worry. I'll teach you, okay?
Ma'am, you will teach me.
Okay, so everything is done, right? You
Almost, ma'am, almost I have done with all my work.
Okay.
So, ma'am, can I leave now?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Go and come to the evening.
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
the tea, okay? Such a sweet girl. But my sister, my goodness. What a headache she was. I have to tell my father. No, this way I can't take her anymore. My goodness. What about the child?
You have to take care of yourself properly. Now.
Yes, mom.
Okay, wait there.
Okay, ma'am.
You have returned. How are you?
You look sad. What happened, sister? Mom, I don't want to go to that house.
Why?
What happened?
What happened?
Sister? Mom, that people behaves rude with me. I'm not willing to go that house to work anymore.
I understand. They're rich people, my dear. They tend to behave like that. We have to bear with that.
Mom, they will behave like this.
They have lots of money, and when you have money, you can do whatever you can.
Mom, I'm not willing to go that house again.
But you know our financial condition. We have to earn our bread and butter. You know that I am almost sick every time, and I do all the house chores, and you have to go there, and you have
Okay,
to.
ma'am, I can understand. But please don't send my younger sister.
Look, you cannot say like that, okay? Because you know that I am not very much in good health. You have to take care of your sister. You know, I cannot work that much nowadays. You know.
Okay, mom, I can understand. But please don't send my younger sister for work. I want to send her to school so that he can.
I also want to go to school.
Yes, of course. I have not received education, but I also want to give you education. I also want to send her into school.
Thank you.
I will try my best, sister.
Oh, stop it.
Ma'am, what do you want to take for the dinner?
I'll discuss it afterwards.
Now to cook for dinner, ma'am.
But I think I have a bit of another business with you.
Business?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what sort of business?
Would you like to read books?
Yes, ma'am, I like to read books.
You
But
told me your father can't afford your education, so would you like to go to school again?
yes, ma'am, but my parents cannot afford this.
But if I afford it, if I send you to the school,
Yes, ma'am,
your favorite school,
but I can't manage time.
why not?
Actually, ma'am, I have to work for my parents to earn their food. So how do I manage to go to school?
Well, that's a problem, but I think we can, definitely deal with it, right?
But my parents cannot afford this.
I will send you to school.
How is it possible?
Why not? I'm like your sister, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You call me sister, so why I can't? Why can't I? So get ready. Where you wanna go? Right?
Hey, are
Come.
you talking about her education journey?
Yeah, just because you are not, minding on your studies.
I was just for a couple of hours. I was outside, and you have planned so far. And why I got a fire, and why she's standing here, this little brat? I cannot tolerate her.
No, ma'am, I will not go to school, ma'am. I will not
Don't-
go to school. I will work. Ma'am, I will not go to school. I will not go to school.
Just you.
Ma'am, I will not go to school. I will
not take this anymore.
Done? Your drama?
Done what? You are the main problem. You are the main problem in this house.
I'm not the main problem. Your behavior is a problem. My dear sister,
Why? We need to get educated, servant.
yeah, she's a child, man.
Child,
You see?
child, what? This man,
I'm not going. Ma'am, I will not go.
you are one who is raising the roof.
Ma'am, I will not go to school. Ma'am, I will work.
What people should belong to the orphanage.
I'm telling you, just keep Mango there.
I told you, this is my house.
I talk to you later.
I don't want to talk to you. I object.
Then why are you
Your-
talking to me?
I object your decision. You cannot have that decision. You do not have the audacity to take that decision.
I have also my own money. I have also a pregnant pocket. So you
I do not care. I just
So
do
then why
not
are you
care.
interfering? Why are you poking your nose on my business?
I won't let that kid to be educated.
I want to.
Why? We don't need it.
please don't fight like
Wasting
this.
of money.
please
Our father is rich and affluent. That doesn't mean that we have the audacity to spend money like this. Yes, what the fuck is going on here?
You don't.
What's
Okay.
wrong with you?
Don't
man?
worry.
What's
Man, I'm
wrong
not going to
with
school,
you?
man, please.
I'm talking to you. What's wrong with you?
What are you doing, my dear sisters?
Hey, he's
Ask
again
your
going to create
sister.
another drama.
What are you doing, man?
Can't take
What are
this
you doing,
anymore.
sister?
I
What
don't,
happened?
I don't know. Ask Olamtika. She is been spending this lot amount of money on her education, and we don't need it. It's a waste of money.
But it's not your decision. Your not decision. You should decide to our father.
We
If you
should
don't
consult
father,
our
our
father.
father needs to decide
You
this.
have no right to decide that.
Why? I don't have. I am a daughter of my father. I have the
But she
right.
also daughter. She also daughter.
Exactly. Brother, good.
Hey, what is this? Good.
My dear, okay?
Okay, mom.
Manage it for today, okay? Don't get upset. I'll buy you.
Yeah, Shivanti. What happened? But you're looking
Sad.
Nothing, mom, nothing.
You cannot hide anything from me. You are my daughter. Tell me what happened.
Mom, nothing happened.
But you're looking like that only.
They
That you
look,
are
your
sad.
sister also catching on you. Tell me what happened.
Actually, mom, means the house I used to work. The
Used to work?
means I'm working now.
Okay.
Means the elder sister.
Yes.
She wants to send me in the school,
Really?
but the younger sister is not send. Means not willing to do this.
Yeah.
So for that reason, they were both were quarreling.
I understand. If the
Who will
elders,
go to school? Who will go to school? Huh?
my children,
You.
my
Or
children,
you?
behave yourself. You come here again drinking. Go,
Our
go
family-
away. Go away. I said go away.
Our family, no one had gone anywhere.
They are my children. I'll decide. You are not their father.
I only want money.
Go
I only
back.
want money. Just let them work. Okay.
No, it is between you and me. Don't try to drag them.
Why?
I
Why
am
you are
still
telling
alive.
me? We need money.
We need money. Go and earn. You are the father. Go and earn. What they do?
will
Just
earn
drink.
money. They will earn money. Okay.
They are not supposed to earn money. You are supposed to earn money. You rascal goat.
You also go to earn money.
First you do.
I will only drink.
You are not going to have the... Get out. Get out.
I will beat
Get
you
out.
severely. Listen to me.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Who beats whom? Let's see.
Bring me the bottle. Bring from.
I
bring the
can't. I'm not your servant. What are you doing?
bottle. Please bring the bottle.
I will not.
No one will go nowhere. Okay.
I'll decide.
Except to
I'll
work.
decide. You go to work. Go out. Go out.
Have you listened to me?
No, I'll not. I'll not. What
What?
will do? What will do? What? You deserve the rascal. You made my life hell.
I don't want to hear anymore anything. Just bring the bottle.
You are still speaking? Why don't you die? Just die!
Hey, what's up? Why are you looking like this? Off mood head. Why?
I'm not actually, but you know my sister, right?
Why?
Oh,
What is she
my
doing?
goodness. She's still same. She's behaving like hell.
Why?
She's unchangeable. I told you, no? I mentioned about a girl,
Okay.
the maid servant. knew-
Okay.
Yeah. I thought that I should just spend the money for her education,
Okay.
but my sister again she's doing a lot of things that really it's not suits her, right?
You know, she's.
I don't know what to do.
Please don't upset. You know.
You know what? She always thinks like she's the queen of this kingdom and she can do anything. But I don't like it.
I
I have also my own thoughts.
But
I can do whatever I want. But she's
I understand. Just listen to me. Don't get upset, okay? I am.
you don't know the environment getting so much toxic.
I know.
I can't do
But
that.
I think you should talk to your father.
at first, I think I'm not telling that you're wrong. Plus, you should talk to your father first at this decision to take this decision. Okay?
My brother also told that.
Yes, I'm also telling that.
Let's see.
Please don't get upset about her.
But you
Just
know, that girl brat.
when you're, it's okay.
I don't know what to do. Yeah, what I'm doing talking. Would you like to have a cup of tea?
No, coffee.
Coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Let's. So I have to talk to my.
Ma'am, you wanted to send me in the school, right?
Yeah. So once again, that's your.
My younger sister.
Oh, come here, come here. Such a cute girl. What's your name?
My name is Akriti.
Kriti. Oh my goodness, it's cute.
Ma'am, you wanted to send me in the school, right? So instead of me, I want to send my younger sister.
Why? Like,
No, ma'am, I have a huge expectation for my younger sister, and she also loves to learn, and she also wants to go to school. So I want her to go to school instead of me.
I'm proud of you, man. Like, in this generation, you're sacrificing your studies for your sister.
Yes,
That's
ma'am,
appreciable.
yes, ma'am, I have to do this for my sister.
I've never seen this kind of, siblings anywhere. Such a great pair of you all. But what if I managed something for you both?
Ma'am, for both.
Yep.
No, ma'am, you're paying fees for my younger sister. That's enough. Please don't arrange for the both only. I'm really thankful to you that you are sending my younger sister for.
I'm so grateful to you.
Please come, dear. Please come. I'm glad to have you.
Rainy days.
Yes. So absolutely,
So what are you doing nowadays?
I was absolutely so stressed. I don't know.
Why?
My
You used to be so happy.
I know I'm a joyous girl, but still, the environment of my house is absolutely disgusting and it's reluctant. I cannot take this anymore, and it's all Greek to me. Why my own sister is doing this
But why?
with me?
Rishita?
Oh, I don't know, yeah, that, that there's a servant, it's a little girl, that old brat,
What's wrong with her?
My sister wants her to be educated.
What?
And
Your sister?
Yeah, is that funny?
She wants to waste money.
Yeah, of course.
Servant.
I was astonished. I was so
Really
flabbergasted. I don't know what to do. I was telling you could not waste, you could not spend our father's money in this manner. But she was absolutely.
She's just a servant. She needs to understand.
So I don't know. I'm in a dark. I don't understand.
It's really hilarious. I can understand you.
Hilarious and at the same time intolerable, And yeah, let me tell you, to be very, very honest, that you are coming to our family. You are going to.
But I can't come in this type of family. I'm very sorry. Please make your brother understand this.
It's your responsibility. He is my brother. I admit it, but
I can tolerate this kind of family where I'm going to have a sister-in-law like this. I can't.
as you are my friend, then you can. Your lover is.
What's going on, my sister?
Wait.
You ask her. Your girlfriend is your man.
I just heard
What
from
happened,
her.
dear?
Let me say, I just heard from her that your sister is just educating a servant.
Okay, excuse me,
Yeah,
guys.
That's a personal matter.
But I can't live on this type of family. You said that you belong to rich
But
family.
I'm not interested in my family also.
I have to live there, right? For my entire life.
You live with me, not my family.
Yeah, but I have to tolerate this kind of
Are you
people.
educated or not?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you are educated.
Yes, see,
So you avoid that.
see my background.
You avoid that particular matter.
Why should I?
Poor names.
I'm going to my family and I need to live with them. Why should I avoid?
Reminded you are my dear.
I don't know.
That's the
You need to understand, but I can't live with you.
Let me finish at first, then you talk.
Then make your
Let me
sister
finish at first,
understand.
then you talk.
I can't.
My sister is young, is the child.
So She's a servant. At first, she's a servant.
Servant is not. Servant is the circumstances that made.
Please don't make me this type of misunderstanding. I won't leave you. Never.
You are immature, Dia.
I know, but I can't leave with you. I will teach you a lesson.
Oh, I can't take this pain.
I'm feeling really. I was not. You have to take care of yourself, okay?
I know. Thank you.
You're not seems good.
I'm not absolutely. My head is. I can't take this anymore. Oh man.
Actually,
Precious saves
uncle,
me.
Doctor Uncle called me.
What did he say?
You need a blood transfusion.
What? What the
I was
hell?
also shocked. But I asked Uncle that if is it possible for me to just give you the blood, but it's not matching with your blood. But right? I talked to the doctor uncle, but
What about my friends?
they all went
Ma'am?
away. Yes.
How are you? I'm not.
Are you doing well?
I'm not doing so
happened,
well.
And how's your health condition now?
It's deteriorating. I don't know.
The doctor told that we need a blood transfusion.
So what about
Ma'am,
you have arranged?
I can't take this.
no,
Blood?
ma'am, not yet.
I was thinking about donating my blood, but I myself am a patient, so I
So
can't.
thank you so much, but
But
if
ma'am,
you
I can
take care
donate
of your
my blood.
health.
Yes, sister. Ma'am, my daughter can give you blood if you allow. Yes,
My
ma'am.
daughter.
I'm ready to donate my blood to you.
What? Are you kidding with me?
No, ma'am.
Come
she
here.
can. She is healthy, perfectly fine. Yes, she
ma'am.
can donate. I'm ready to donate your blood.
But I was so impolite, rude to you. I behaved so bad to you, and still you're donating blood. I'm flabbergasted. How could this be possible, kid?
And please leave this thing. At first, you get good health. At first, this is your first priority.
I'm so proud of you. I'm sorry, child. I'm sorry.
I told you, Rishita, you should behave well.
You saved my life. I'm so glad.
When you are behind the 8 ball, you can see what is black and what is white.
And please don't waste the time. Let's go to hospital. Yes.
Okay, let me call.
Sister, you're okay. Please give me 1 glass of water. Water. Take. I'll hang down with my sister. Mom, see who has come? Let me see.
How are you, little kid?
Ma'am, you have come here to this poor house.
I'm very, very heartbroken. I'll help you financially. I'll donate some sort of money. You can take. I'll sign a blank check and you can put whatever amount you want. Please admit her in the best hospital. I will share the details. Please do as soon as possible. We cannot.
I'm quite fine now.
We cannot leave this. Please, don't shame me. I did so bad to you, to your daughter,
I'm quite fine
and
now.
you guys are God to me.
Everything will alright, okay?
Ma'am, I'm quite
I
fine
hope
now.
you will recover soon. God bless you, child.
And you have to go to the school, okay? With your sister.
Of course.
Right?
You need to be educated. But first, okay, Antika, I think we should leave and go and appoint a bed in the hospital. We need to appoint the doctor uncle as well.
Cup of tea.
Proud of you, my daughter. I'm also given up my.
Sir, ma'am,
I'm very much proud of you.
then really? You have given up
Yes,
everything?
yes. I've realized everything.
It's very
You have to go forward.
nice.
Thank you then.
So, are you satisfied now? Your husband is completely right.